So in this case I am going to explain some important points related to chain. Whenever we are testing, whenever we found that the chain is too long, then the chain can be adjusted by using some rules. That is, closing the joint of rings if it is opened out. Whenever we have seen if the chain is too long, then we have to observe the rings, whether the rings of the chain are closed or open. Whenever it is open, then we can close it. Reshaping the elongated rings. Whenever the shape of the ring is not in proper order, we can reshape the rings. Third is removing one or more small circular rings. Whenever the chain is long, we can remove one or more small rings. Replacing worn out rings. Whenever some rings are lost, we can fix some rings and we can replace it. Next is adjusting the links at the ends. By adjusting the links also we can solve it. Okay, this is the, by doing these all, we whenever the chain is found too long, we have to do these all things. That is, closing the chain of the rings if opened out, reshaping the elongated rings, removing one or more small circular rings, replacing worn out rings, and adjusting the links at the ends. Whereas whenever the chain is found too short, it can be adjusted by straightening the links. Means by pulling the chain, the links can be straightened. By straightening the links, we can find it. Next, flattening the circular rings. By flattening the circular rings, replacing one or more small circular rings by bigger ones. Whenever we have found that the chain is too short, then the small circular rings are replaced by the big circular rings. Inserting additional circular rings. We can insert some extra rings also. Adjusting the links at the ends. Okay, so whenever we are finding a chain too short, then we can adjust it by using these all things. That is, straightening the links, flattening the circular rings, replacing one or more circular ring by bigger ones, inserting additional circular rings, and adjusting the links at the ends. So these points should be kept by the surveyor in mind while doing the surveying. Okay, whenever we found the chain is too long or too short, by applying these all properties and rules, we can clear it. Okay, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Knowledge by Ruksha. Thank you everyone.